Hi everyone, welcome back to the English Elevate podcast channel.
We're really happy to see you again. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about learning real-life English in a simple, friendly way.
Yes, no stress, no pressure, just natural conversations that help you speak English confidently.
And today we're talking about one small word that makes learners smile and sometimes panic.
The word get.
A tiny word with a big personality.
Olivia, can I be honest?
Always.
The word get is everywhere. I open my book. Get. I watch a movie. Get. I talk to people. Still get.
That's because get is one of the most used words in English.
And one of the most confusing.
True, but today we'll make it easy. By the end, you'll get it.
I'm already smiling. Good sign.
Let's start with a very common meaning. Get means receive.
Example, please.
I got your message.
Oh, so when someone says, I didn't get your call, it means they didn't receive it.
Exactly.
That's much nicer than saying, I ignored you.
Much nicer and safer. Next meaning, get means become.
Like get tired or get happy?
Yes, I'm getting better at English.
That sentence makes me smile.
It should. It's true for you.
I'm also getting hungry.
English lessons do that.
I hear this all the time. Do you get it?
Very common. Here, get means understand.
So if I say, I don't get this sentence, I mean, I don't understand it?
Exactly.
Good. Sometimes I just smile and say yes.
That's okay, but understanding is better. Another daily life meaning, get means buy or obtain.
Like, I need to get some water.
Perfect.
I went to get water and got snacks too.
That happens to everyone, even native speakers. One more important meaning. Get means arrive.
Example?
What time did you get home?
Oh, so get can move around.
Yes, very active word.
Olivia, I've heard people say, can you get me a pen? Is that also get?
Yes, very good question. Here, get means bring or fetch.
So it means go somewhere and come back with something?
Exactly.
Like, I'll get you some coffee.
Perfect example.
That sounds nicer than saying, wait here, I'm leaving.
Much nicer and very natural English.
I've also heard I need to get the bus. Why not just say take?
Good observation. In daily English, get is often used for catching transport.
So get a bus, get a train, get a taxi, all correct?
Yes, all correct.
What about phone calls?
Same idea. Did you get my call?
Oh, receive again.
See, get loves to repeat itself.
Olivia, can we talk about common phrases with get?
Of course, these are very important for real life English.
Okay, first one I hear a lot, get ready.
That means prepare yourself.
Like my mom saying, get ready, we're leaving.
Exactly. Very powerful sentence.
What about get up?
That means wake up or stand up, depending on context.
English really likes context, huh?
English loves context.
Can get be used for emotions?
Yes, very commonly.
Like get angry?
Yes. Also, get excited, get nervous, get stressed.
I get nervous when I speak English,
That's okay, everyone does.
but I'm getting more confident.
And that's the goal.
Let's do a short role play.
Great idea. Real life practice helps a lot.
Okay, you're my friend. I'm late.
All right, go.
Sorry I'm late. I got stuck in traffic and didn't get the bus on time.
Nice. Very natural.
Your turn.
That's okay. Did you get my message?
Yes, I got it when I got home.
Excellent. That sounded like real conversation.
I'm getting happy now. Olivia, what's a common mistake learners make with get?
Good question. Many learners overthink the word.
Meaning?
They stop speaking because they're not sure which meaning is correct.
Ah, guilty.
My advice? Don't stop. Native speakers understand from context.
So confidence is more important than perfection?
Always.
Any final tip for our listeners?
Yes. When you watch movies or listen to English, notice how get is used, but don't memorize rules.
Just listen and repeat?
Exactly. That's how you'll get better naturally.
I like that. Simple and stress-free.
Let's quickly recap today's meanings of get. Get equals receive, I got your message. Get equals become, I'm getting better. Get equals understand, I get it now. Get equals buy or obtain, I'll get water. Get